Hey guys, this is Joel at Scale Warehouse. I wanted to show you how to work around an RM470 display with a traffic light. If you're getting this none or no communication displaying on there, I'll show you how to solve this problem. All right, so we're using a Rice Lake 720 indicator with, like I said, the RM470 traffic light display. Um, you will start by going into the menu, configuration, going to go over to serial. Port 2 is where I have this connected to. Whichever port you have it connected, you will want to select that port. And then into the command menu. You're going to scroll over to end of line delay, EOLDY. Enter. For this model, you're going to want to have this on 2. If it doesn't work on 2, you could try it on 1, but it should work on 2. Then 2, enter. And make sure you save and exit. Saving configuration. Okay, now for this to work, you have to reboot the display. Unplug it for a second. Plug it back in. If you do this prior to installing it, that would be the best case. It's auto learning the configuration. Now you have your weight with your unit of measure and your gross and net displayed.